Alright. Same day. And we're walking out. And walked up on one here on the way out. It's not broke. I mean, that's made that way. Oh, another either preform or I don't know. No chigger on it right there. There's old Punch Paul would say. Been a pretty productive day as far as finding stuff. Been a good day. What do you got?
Oh, that's pretty cool. They're smaller than the tadpoles.
Hold on, let me if I can see if I can get focus. There it goes. Well,
There's my pinky nail.
Oop. Hey guys. Anyway, thanks for coming along with us, and if we find anything else on the way out of here, we'll definitely
That's old.
turn the camera back on. A lot of gravel. It's easy to miss stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching.